Hello, in this video we will see how to manage your email right inside your Vtiger CRM. Before that, configure your email account with IMAP and SMTP configuration. To know more about the configuration, please refer our email plus configuration video by clicking the link in the description. Once done, you can easily access the configured email account inside your Vtiger CRM. Let's see how it works. Now inside your CRM, you can easily send emails by clicking on Compose. Enter the to address, subject and enter the necessary details. You can also easily attach the CRM documents to the email with a single click on Attach CRM Documents. Now click on Send. Thus with the Email Plus, it is easy and effective to send and receive emails to the CRM contact without juggling between apps. Also, you can receive and manage all your email right inside your CRM. Plus, you can add any of your email recipient as the CRM contact by simply clicking on Add Contacts corresponding to the email recipient. Within your email inbox, you can easily get the detailed information about the customer such as company information, contact, product and support tickets related to the customer. Thus, with the Email Plus, you can easily and effectively manage all your mailing activities from your CRM without switching between two apps. Hope this video will be helpful. Thanks for watching.